We are missed in flight, but we're alive. A wounded bird falls to the ground, deep in the heart of Germany. All the people come here from all around to watch a bird they've never seen. We are missed in flight, but we're alive. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. The Iron Maiden is above. We are missed in flight, but we're alive. With Boo to take this girl along. She's every man's dream. She's the cream of cream. It makes us blue leave her alone. But we wanna let the whole world know we are missed in flight, but we're alive. The Iron Maiden flies above. We wanna let the whole world know we are missed in flight, but we're alive.
Here's Roland Martin, pilot of the B17 called the Iron Maiden. Our crew is deep in the heart of Germany. It's October the 14th, 1943. Our crew is on the second grade of Schweinfurt, the damage to the ball bearing industry. We've just dropped our bombs over the target, but now we are hit by the black fire. The wounded bird falls. German fighter is circling above. 6 men already bailed out. We are too low and make a better land than before.
Losing control. But we're alive. A wounded bird falls to the ground, deep in the heart of Germany. All the people come here from all around to watch a bird they've never seen. Yes, we wanna let the whole world know we are missed in flight, but we're alive. We are missed in flight, but we're alive. We are missed in flight, but we're